floating through a silent frame, where time forgets to keep its name. Every second feels the same, and not fragments drifting out